I'm Claudia Restrepo. I'm the author of the book Biopsychosocial Aspects of Sleep Bruxism in Children. Bruxism has been a paradigm both for adults and children in the whole literature. So this book aimed to prove those paradigms based on the latest evidence, and we created the evidence. We assessed the sleep behaviors, the quality of life, and also the most cited effect of sleep bruxism that has been considered the tooth wear. And we proved that most of all those paradigms are not real in children, and the studies were really well done with very controlled methodologies, and so the results have really good internal and external validity. I invite you to read this book. That is the very first one written in English for CES Editorial.